If you are looking for new episodes of Our Garden Adventure, we have moved those episodes to a new channel called Our Garden Adventure. Check it out here. The links are down in the description. I hope you enjoy this series. We have a lot of fun putting it together. It's really kind of low budget, but we don't really care about the production value. We care more about the experience of starting a garden, learning gardening, and just going about doing it in our daily lives. I hope you're having an amazing day. Go check us out because all the new episodes are going to be uploaded there. As well as for 2022, we are going to be uploading the episodes much, much faster and pretty much either the day of or the day after we shoot them. So you'll be actually experiencing the adventure with us in real time. So make sure you click on that link and head over to our new channel, Our Garden Adventure, and subscribe for all the awesomeness coming your way.